Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marina and welcome. Today's video I'm so excited to film. So Birchbox had a Black Friday sale where you could get 2 boxes for £5. Now I don't normally get any type of subscription box. I got Glossy Box many years ago and I just wasn't happy. So I stopped getting it, but that's a whole other story. But yeah, I saw this deal on their Facebook and I was like, 2 boxes for £5 plus shipping. So it came, I think it was like £8 or £9 for a box. Let me find out the price. Okay, so a monthly Birchbox subscription is £10 plus £2.95 postage or package PMP. So it's normally basically £13. So I got these for £8. And this month they were celebrating the release of Frozen 2, which Frozen is one of my favourite films ever. And I saw the boxes that they had like a character box or a box of like all the leaves and stuff, and I saw it and I was like, oh, I really want it. But I was like, if I buy it and I don't get the character box, I will be very upset. So I didn't buy it, and then they had the Black Friday deal for 2 boxes for £5 and I was like so guys, comment down below if you think I got the Frozen character box or the not Frozen character box, because there's 2. Pause it and comment. Okay. Oh my god. You just look at it. It is freaking stunning. And have you seen Frozen 2 yet? Please let me know down below. I obviously saw it on the day it came out and oh my god, it's amazing. Oh, look at this box where there's like all the leaves down the side. So this is box number 1, which we'll be opening first because I have no self-control. I got these like 3 days ago and I have had to wait. I haven't even looked inside. I'm waiting for this video. Anyway, this is a Birchbox and paper chase. Ooh, now that is cute. And then I'll just show you the back of that one. Okay, so obviously we're opening this bad boy first because I cannot cope. It says Disney's Frozen 2 in cinemas November 22nd. This November we're delighted to have teamed up with Disney to celebrate the release we've all been waiting for, Frozen 2. Just like Birchbox, the film celebrates adventurous, strong women and the importance of friendship, so we think it's a perfect match. Oh, freaking so cute. December sneak peek on the back. Ooh. Cool. I ordered that one by mistake, but I've cancelled it now. Oh, okay. What is there a thing in here that tells you what you get? I don't really know. Okay, I don't think there is. But okay. I thought there would be, but apparently not. But okay. This is the Sunny Isle Jamaican Black Castor Oil, not free forever. Natural leave-in detangler infused with Jamaican Black Castor Oil. After washing hair, apply not free forever generously and wipe through tangled areas with a wide tooth comb. Okay, this is good. I will definitely use this. I have extremely knotty hair if you watch my hair care video. I smell this. Oh, that smells lovely. I will definitely be using that. Obviously I don't know how much anything is because there's nothing in here that tells me. I will have a look online and pop it there somewhere here. Next up, it's the Incredible Flower Power Hydrating Sheet Mask for dry and dehydrated skin. Love a mask. I have so many that I buy and I never have time to do. So maybe tomorrow morning, I say that, it's not going to happen. But I love a sheet mask, you can't go wrong with that. And then next up here, this is the Balance Me Congested Skin Serum. And it's vegan. That's cool, love a bit of skincare, so it would be nice to know like the prices and stuff of things though, but okay. This is a lip liner in Heatherberry by Bodyography. Love a lip liner. Ooh, that's a lovely colour. And that went on really nice and smooth. And then there is a little lipstick, I believe. It is sealed in extra plastic. I'm just going to pull that off. Is Lise Watier. The bottom is all faded, but I think it's in the shade Prune. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, this is so cute. It's a baby. So I take it that that's going to go with the lipstick. Really pretty. Quite a sheer, like, satin. Yeah, really cute. Now, for the price, like I've said, like, I mean, £5 for 2 boxes. That is really good. So yeah, I'm really happy with them. I will use all of those products. It is just a shame that it didn't say anything about the products. I thought they would have. But anyway, let's get into the paper chase box and then we can go from there. So this is the Life Birchbox and paper chase. I've just seen something in here and I'm gonna say that till last because that's a very funny story. Okay, what have we got here? Bust Your Brass Cool Blonde Shampoo. Do I look blonde to you? Thank you so much, Birchbox. That is really thoughtful. Okay. Bit rude, hun, but okay. Okay, what have we got here? Paul and Joe Moisturising Foundation Primer. Okay. Looks cute. Doesn't have a smell. It's a bit of a weird packaging, like, I feel like you'd be standing there ages trying to pour that out onto your hand. Like, I do not have time in the morning to be waiting, but it might change me, it might prove me wrong. This is a Wonder Beauty Gold Eye Masks. The packaging has dust on. This has been sitting somewhere for a very long time. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, okay, cute. Yeah, cool, I'll use that. We have got a Larizzi Cosmetics Lipstick Crayon. Again, covered in dust, but okay. This is in the shade Gala. Ooh, do you know, I really like crayons. Ooh. Wow, that's a really pretty colour. That's very nice. So it's that colour there, really nice, especially for this time of year. But yeah, I will use that. So the last product in here is a Benefit Gimme Brow. This is a mini one. It is in the shade 4.5 Natural Deep Brown. Now, the reason why I laughed when I saw this is because I shouldn't even tell you, someone might find out, but I promise to keep it a secret. Okay, so basically, if you get your eyebrows waxed at Benefit, there's an app, and if you get them done 12 times, they send you a free full-size gimme brow. So I reached my 12 times, got my gimme brow in the post. Happy days, right? So yeah, love it. I really love it. I use it every day. Then a month and a half later, I get another envelope from Benefit with someone else's name on but my address. So I open it because I don't know anyone with that name. It's not people who lived here before, so you know, and it's my address. So another full-size gimme brow. I was like, what? Like, I'm not complaining, but why? But thank you. Okay. Fast forward another month and a half. This is literally like a week ago. Got a package from Benefit with my name on. Can you guess what it is, hun? It's another full-size gimme brow. I've had 3 full-size Benefit gimme brows in the past like 4 or 5 months. I'm not complaining, I just don't know how it's happening. So yeah, I'm gonna probably give this to my sister as it can be part of her Christmas present. It's in the shade 4.5. I think I've been sent the shade 5. So this is really cute. I've had a mini one before and it actually lasts a really long time. I'm just gonna show you the brush. I really like this because it is so small. Oh, the baby! This is like an even mini one, but yeah. This is cute. I don't need this because I have 3 already. So this is going to be in part of my sister's Christmas present. Hopefully she doesn't see this, she probably will, but hey, you get on this, baby. So yeah, that is everything that I got. Okay, so like I said many a time, it would be nice, because I know Glossybox used to do this, it would be nice to have had a card to explain the products a little bit more and say how much they are, like, retail, and just a little bit about them, like, you know, what, like, yeah, would you expect that? Or maybe they normally do it, maybe it's because it was the offer, I really don't know. But yeah, I am really happy with everything that I've got. I will use everything, like I said, apart from that, which is going to my sister. I'm really disappointed in this purple shampoo for blondes. Am I blonde, hon? To be fair, my partner's blonde. I'll be like, hey baby, what's this? You'll be like, why is it purple? How blonde keeps us cool. Ultraviolet brass busting cleansers. Lets hair stay bright and light. My hair is dark. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you ever get Birchbox, if you got this deal, what you got, or what you thought of what I got, or what you thought of me getting my gorgeous blonde shampoo. But the thing is, when you subscribe to these things, you do a personal profile and you say what colour your hair is, your eyes are, your skin type. My hair is black, hun. What is a blonde shampoo going to do for me? Please let me know. But anyway, yeah. Apart from that, I'm really happy with this. I accidentally ordered one more box because I forgot to cancel the subscription. So there is going to be one more Birchbox unboxing. And then that is it really. So yeah, maybe next time I can see if it does come with a card that says all your stuff. Maybe it's online, I don't really know. I'm not that bothered, but you know, it's just like I don't know, yeah. It'll be nice to see the prices, I think, so you can see what value you're getting. But okay, this video is far too long, I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, please make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bells to be notified every time I upload a video. If you like makeup and beauty videos, then I'm sure you will love my channel. So thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye!